Good day everyone. Today I want to unbox my impulse purchase thanks to the ads of short video that make me interested in this thing. I represent to you Fujifilm INSTAX Mini Link 3. Of course I will get the clay white color. They available in sage green, clay white and rose pink. This is charger port, and with my very short nail, I had a little difficulty to open it. But it's not a problem, it's just my problem kind of situation. And on the back, we will see the momentary switch that will open if we slide it to the right. That is for the cartridge film. And here is the power button and the function button to know how many battery left in the device. Now, let's put the cartridge, but before that, I want to connect to the print first. Since my dumb brain didn't read the instruction, this is what happened. Nothing happened. It didn't work. It didn't light up at all. So I need to charge it first, and this is how it looks. Okay, there is a place that you should not touch, and you need to line up the yellow spot with another. Okay, and it automatically released the plastic that protects the film. You will know if you connected already with the print from this part. The photo of my dog. Let's see the result. This is after a couple seconds, and this one after around 1 minute-ish. The size is quite small, but it's very quite clear result. I'm quite happy with this.